Hey everybody, it's Frankie-Lou. Today I just wanted to give a little update because I gave an update less than a week ago about the battle of the spaghetti squash in the greenhouse in the sky here. And I think Seymour may have heard me because I stated 5 days ago that Sutherland looked like he was going to win. And Seymour has responded quite dramatically. This morning I came out and I counted 12 pods developing on. We got 1, 2, 3. This little lovely buddy here. Some more happening over here. Here. They're coming out everywhere. Oh, and look, there's even more over here. Like, he's moving and shaking and going places. So be careful how you talk around your plants. Okay? Now let's not get Sutherland out of the race. Seymour's doing really well, but let's see how Sutherland's doing. He's still putting in a great effort. We got some back here. Nice one coming along there. And way over here. See how far they go? Like, these are huge. Can you imagine if I had grown these on the ground and not vertically? Like, they're already taking over the space as it is. But at least with the vertical growth, we can keep these plants up high and other stuff can grow below. And it looks cool. Like, doesn't that look neat, having all these things just hanging out of the sky? And they're staying off the dirt. By staying off the dirt, they're staying a lot cleaner, easier to harvest. And they're wonderful. They're absolutely wonderful to be around. Until they fall on your head, because as you can see, these things are enormous, so I do have to keep a very close eye on how big they're getting and take them down as soon as the skin is hard enough. I think I counted 20 spaghetti squash in here with the efforts between Seymour and Sutherland, so it's a good thing. I love spaghetti squash as much as I do, and then it stores so well. So yes, be careful how you talk around your plants. And stay tuned if you want to see how it's going. We will be weighing these soon as they are ready, and we'll keep you updated on what the tally is at. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you also take this chance to grow together today. Have a good one.